In today's video, I'm going to teach you track monetization using Google Analytics 4. We'll walk through the key reports that show where your revenue comes from, how customers move through the purchase funnel, and where drop-offs might be costing you money. This guide assumes you already have a GA4 property and e-commerce events implemented, so the data you see reflects real user behavior. Start on the Analytics home screen. This is your jumping-off point and a quick snapshot of recent activity. Before diving in, make sure you're looking at the correct property and data stream, and that the date range at the top of the interface matches the period you want to analyze. Consistency here keeps your comparisons meaningful. Next, head into Reports from the left navigation. Reports is where GA4 organizes your lifecycle insights: acquisition, engagement, monetization, and retention. So everything you need for revenue tracking lives right here. Open Monetization. This section focuses on dollars and cents for both websites and apps. If you've set up purchase and related e-commerce events correctly, this is where they surface as actionable insights. Go to Overview. Think of this as your executive dashboard. Total revenue, purchase counts, average purchase revenue per user, and, if applicable, ad revenue. Use it to confirm high-level trends, are sales up or down, and to spot unusual spikes or dips worth investigating further. From there, open e-commerce purchases. This report digs into product-level performance. You'll see which items drive the most revenue, how often they're viewed, added to cart, and purchased. Use it to identify best sellers, underperformers, and potential pricing or merchandising opportunities. If you notice a product with strong views but weak conversions, consider reviewing its content, images, or availability. Next, check in-app purchases. If you have a mobile app with in-app transactions, this reveals revenue by item and helps you evaluate pricing tiers and bundles. If you operate only a website, it's normal for this to show little or no data. Open Purchase Journey. This visualizes the funnel from viewing an item through adding to cart, starting checkout, adding payment info, and completing purchase. Pay attention to the biggest drop-offs. They often point to friction, such as unclear shipping costs or slow page load during checkout. Then, visit Checkout Journey for a closer look at each step within the checkout flow. This helps you isolate where users abandon the process so you can target design fixes or policy clarifications. Finally, review transactions. This table-level view shows individual orders and revenue totals. It's useful for validating tracking against your backend and for spotting high-value orders or anomalies. Working through these reports regularly gives you a clear, end-to-end picture of monetization in GA4 and helps you turn insights into revenue-growing actions.